Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we are going to take a look at how we can export our model and textures from Substance Painter to Unreal Engine. So let's export our texture first. So go to Substance Painter, and we textured this hammer in our last video. So let's go to File and Export Texture. And change the output template to this Unreal Engine 4 packed, and also you can change the file type to PNG. I'm taking the size of these textures 4K and hit export. So our textures are exported. Let's close the Substance Painter, open this content drawer and create a new folder. Open it and create another folder for our textures. Now go to your hammer model and drag and drop it in the content drawer. Click on this do not create material and import. Open this texture folder and let's import our textures. Select all of them and import. It will show you this warning here. Just click OK. Now to place your model in the scene, just select it and drag and drop here like this. You can place it using this gizmo here. You can rotate it by pressing E and R to scale. So I have already placed it. So let's create a material for our model. So open the textures and right click here, then go to this material and rename it as hammer. Now open this, and we have this hammer head textures here. Select all of them and then drop it in your hierarchy. So we have this base color here. Let's connect it to the base color, and this normal map to our normal. Now we have this mixed map which contains our occlusion, roughness and metallic. So if you take a look at the content drawer, it will say occlusion, roughness and metallic, and this is an RGB map. So your R channel contains occlusion and G channel contains roughness and the B channel contains your metallic. So let's connect them. So here we have this R channel which contains our occlusion, so connect it to ambient occlusion. And our green channel contains our roughness, so connect it to roughness. And for the last, we have this blue channel connected to metallic. Now hit apply and save. Let's close this, and we have this hammer material here. Now select it and drop it on your hammer. Now let's create a material for this handle. Again right click and select this material. Rename it as wood. Then again open it and select this wood texture. Drop it in this material editor. And again connect your base color to the base color and normal to your normal. Then again we have this mixed map. So again connect your red channel to your ambient occlusion, green to your roughness, and blue to your metallic. Now apply and then save. Now you can close it and you can select this material and drop it on your handle. And now we have created the materials for our model here. Now you can take a high resolution screenshot by going to this icon here and click on this high resolution screenshot. To increase the resolution, you can change the multiplier value to 2 or more and click on this take a screenshot. And now you have this high resolution screenshot here. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.